It's always good to have some alternatives.
Spiky Bits.
Welcome back, Hobby Maniacs. I'm Rob Bear from SpikyBits.com, and today we're taking a look at the latest and greatest conversion bits from Kromlech. They sent over a big box of they're called Imperial Crusaders, Primaris Legionnaires, Prime Legionnaires. We know what you could probably use them for if you wanted to use some of these parts on some of your plastic miniatures, of course. And they make great alternatives to that, or you can buy all the different bits themselves and put them together and have something completely different. And I think that's the cool thing about these conversion bits is it appeals to kind of both sides of the coin. Like you can make something new, or you can augment some plastic kits that you already have. Most people always need legs. I know I have tons of arm bits, tons of guns bits. Always need the legs, and the cool thing about these ones is that the torsos are attached to the legs too, so you get a pretty cool look with like some robed kind of things. But enough talk, let's jump into it. I'll show them to you over on their website, and then we got some here in the studio, and also already assembled a few that just to kind of show you what they look like and the scale. So here's the website. It's bitsofwar.com. You can type in Kromlech and it'll get you there. That's just their news side of things. But their retail store is Bits of War, and you can see some of the Imperial Crusaders right there, what they can look like all painted up and give you some ideas. They also have some other new releases. The Dark Forest Wood stuff looks pretty neat, and there's some other terrain bit. Oh, and these guys, the Boom Gnaws, they look pretty cool too. But today we're going to kind of focus on the Imperial Crusaders, and I've got them open here in another tab. Now, I'll be honest with you, the price kind of makes it so if you want to make a whole squad out of these, it's not going to be less affordable than like doing the plastic kits from Games Workshop. But I think the appeal to this is getting the bits you need and getting the look you need and having something really cool at the end. Like, hey, you got a bunch of extra sets of arms and things. I wonder why you would have some of those. Well, just pick up, a couple packs of these Crusader Prime bodies, and then you have something to attach everything to, and then you get even more value. You put $20 with the kit, and boom, you have enough to put all the extra bits and things on there. I guess you would need shoulder backpacks too, but I digress. A lot of people already have these things. It always seems like the legs are what's missing. I don't know. Comment, let me know what's always missing in your bits box, I suppose. But either way, these bits are pretty cool because they have like the upgrade pack right here. It's only $10, pretty affordable. I like these shoulder pads here. We'll take a closer look at them, left and right, basically mirrored power fists here. And what are these? The Flamer Blaster. I thought there was, there's just the normal Prime Legionnaire stuff too. So like all the normal Prime Legionnaire stuff will obviously work on these, but these are, the specific Imperial Crusader bits right here. They do have some free shipping options. I think it's like $140. So if you are like super serious about making an army, that might work out for you, or you might have to hit up some friends in your gaming group or something like that and combo a deal just to get that free shipping, because sometimes it's totally worth it and you're just like, oh man, I'm just so close. But keep in mind, they have all this other stuff over here on the left too, and all the other Prime Legionnaire body upgrade bits that you might really love, like guns and things, and anything else that just might be really hard to find right now. Now, the cool thing about their packaging, whether you're a retailer or an end user consumer, you're going to get everything that's going to come in these great little clam packs. It's going to have a SKU number, which is really good if you're on the retail side of things, or if you just want to go to reorder and you're like, I don't remember what the thing was, and you just have that, just punch in that code. It's super easy to use. There's a UPC code, so everybody can put it in their point of sale system on the retail side of things. These are the specific, I've already opened these up, so we're going to take a look, but this is the Flame Blasters. And then some other things are already opened up here. So let's take a closer look at the bits themselves. Like here's one of the, let's zoom in a little bit. Here's one of the torsos, and you can tell it's all super crisp. Very well done. Lots of room there to get some fades and things. And looking at the back, lots of opportunities for some metal work, and then also some purity seals to go along, or some tabards to go along with the robes. So you can get some really cool looking, light and dark contrasty style, kind of like what they did on their site with the red robes and the bone armor. But you don't necessarily have to do that. You can do the traditional black armor if you really want, and edge highlight it and hit it with some really nice crisp, bone or parchment colored robes as well. Here's those Flame Blasters, if you're looking for the combi flamer kind of look. and they lock into this set of arms right here that comes with it. There's 2 sprues of these and 6 of these, obviously. And then you've got these shoulder pads, and this is just one of them. Very crisp, and you can kind of see all the detail in there, of course. Now these would fit, these aren't, you know, necessarily prime style or primaris size. These are going to fit both, because the heads and the shoulder pads still fit not only their stuff, but also the GW Firstborn and primaris size. And there's some of the heads, some really cool Crusader looking duders right there. And then the helmeted heads, very kind of old school knight kind of style. Definitely dig those. And what else do we got? Oh, the accessories pack. So the accessories pack has a lot of things you're going to need, like, you know, you want to do the holy hand grenade, have some extra books and reliquaries and things, some heraldry pads. I don't know what this thing is. I guess it could just be some sort of, these are just cool looking standards. I mean, for like $8, it's not bad. They're $10 for, you know, some bits, like just some extra stuff. And then of course, some dope ass power fists right here, and you can get them in left and right, just depending on what you're looking for. Now, these wouldn't be good for some of the other, you know, legions that you might be, or legionnaires that you might be doing. But that being said, they definitely have that really cool style for grimdark crusading as well. Now, let's put some of these together and add some other bits from maybe some of the other kits and kind of see how they all look. And here you can see some of the creations using the bits, all those different bit sets there, the shoulder pads. Now this is just the standard prime assault weapon pack that's going to have a bolt pistol, but then everything else on here is specific to the Imperial Crusaders. And they look really cool. Like, I like the striding poses and things, and there's lots you can do here. Now, these would look great. Obviously, you can mix and match them on any of the plastic GW kits. They're all about the same size, as you can see right here. So, you know, some dope shoulder pads and things you could kind of crack out and get a specific look that you're looking for. Even the backpacks are really cool with the shields and things, and I could see where that would work for a couple different legions out there. Here's another good one, just a power fist. Doing it, he's a little bit of a static pose, but that's okay. This one's kind of neat. I like him. Just kind of getting ready to start some ripping and some tearing. I like this backpack too. That's probably my favorite of all of them right there, with a little mechanical cog in there. This one, this guy is looking really cool. Like that little, I don't know what that cross is called back there. Some sort of religious cross, I suppose. And then this guy's just kind of standing around, waiting on his next move. Some really interesting little banding on the shoulder pads there. But yeah, either way, I think these look great, and obviously they're going to port over. So, you know, they may work pretty well for a particular Marine project or Legionnaire project that you're going to be working on. Obviously, you know, the scale is going to be good. So they have a whole bunch of other, you know, flavors, we'll call them, of bits over there. There's Sons of Thor, the Dragonborn. So there's a lot of different things, even the Sanguine Legion, I believe they're called. So whatever you're looking for, they probably have over there, whether it's specific or something a little bit more generic, something like this, just some extra bits and things, and there are free shipping options. So not too bad, and you can get this stuff in the States. There's some mail order companies out there that actually stock this stuff, so you don't have to order it from Europe. But that being said, you know, you do get that really good shipping, and it's free if you get at least $140, I believe it is, in your cart. So that is it for this one. Thanks for watching our unboxing, build, I guess, and review of the new Imperial Crusader bits from Kromlech. You can always check them out over at Bits of War, BITS of war.com, or, you know, just do a Google search for Kromlech. Either way, you'll get to the same place. But before you go over there, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can be the very first to like and comment on all our future videos. If you liked that video feature, consider supporting us over at patreon.com and get back in the mail each month a miniature crate full of some of the stuff we review here, as well as some of the top 3D artist designs out there too, to help support what they're doing. Plus, discount coupon codes from some of those same manufacturers. They're yours to keep, whether you cancel or stay on. It's totally up to you. Obviously, we want to keep you as happy as possible. So check it out over at patreon.com/spikybits.